Ponderosa High School's original culinary space was built with the school in the early 80s.
We had orange countertops and burgundy cabinetry.
It remained largely unchanged for many, many years.
We had drawers that were broken and drains that wouldn't drain.
The program was successful in spite of its shortcomings.
I have a student that works at a Michelin star restaurant in Berlin.
But some updates were clearly in order.
This has been planning on and off for about 5 years.
They got the boost they needed in 2018.
I just want to say thank you to the taxpayers, the people that voted in the 2018 bond.
The difference has been astounding.
Makes me feel like more professional.
And it's bridging the worlds of school and work through work-based learning.
I work in a restaurant outside of school, and I'm able to get credit for that through this class.
It's a great life skill.
For Mrs. Baldwin, now in her 17th year, the new space is like moving into your dream home.
It's kind of like a dream come true. It's also kind of like a new house, getting to figure out where to put everything.
A home that Ponderosa is happy to settle in.
Really great.